A pocket of calm in the vast Middle Eastern tapestry, Jordan is a blend of biblical history, Bedouin tradition, and uncharted beauty. At the invitation of Trafalgar and their not-for-profit partner, the TreadRight Foundation, a team of influential storytellers traveled to Jordan, where Trafalgar's own guests can experience TreadRight's work to make travel matter at the Iraq Al-Amir Women's Cooperative.
My name is Celine Cousteau, TreadRight Ambassador. For the past 10 years, TreadRight has been impacting how people travel and what they see beneath the surface. I've traveled to Jordan together with a group of incredible storytellers to visit the Iraq Al-Amir Women's Cooperative. Located in a small village just outside of Amman, we've come to visit the women who work here and to see firsthand the impact of TreadRight's involvement with the cooperative.
Iraq Al-Amir Cooperative was established in '96 as an all-women-run cooperative that is supporting the ladies in this neighborhood to really share some of the cultural values that they have. The TreadRight Foundation is supporting Iraq Al-Amir Cooperative, and together we'll be working with this cooperative to upgrade the gift shop. But I think the more important piece we'll be working on together is to help the cooperative become a viable business.
We've come across so many women on our travels around Jordan so far who are not only exceptionally warm, but they're also extremely well educated. Traditionally, in Jordanian society, a woman's role has been seen as in the home. So it's really been great to see job opportunities being created for women through tourism.
So yeah, we basically just spent the morning with them, seeing a little peek into their daily lives. They're really diversifying what they can offer to visitors and tourists in an attempt to become more of a viable, sustainable business.
جمعية عراق الأمير أول شيء هي كانت من دعم من مؤسسة الحسين. أول شيء من 93 بلشنا مع مؤسسة الحسين، كنت أنا أول واحدة معهم. طبعا كان مشاريع اللي عملوا لنا إياها اللي هي الخزف والورق والنسيج. هو كان صعب يعني للبنات انه يطلعوا من في فرص عمل هون ما في بعراق الامير. هي الزراعه، شجر الزيتون بوقته لما يكون قطاف الزيتون، والبنات اللي ينجحوا في منهم انه يكملوا جامعه ويقروا ويدرسوا ويكملوا دراستهم. في منهم اللي يعني يقعدوا بالبيوت وشغل بالبيوت، بس في من الاهالي عنده انه يقدر يخلي بنته تروح تشتغل وبعد تصير بالبيادر فوق بعمان مصانع شيء فرص عمل يخلوهم، بس أكثرية لا ما يسمح البنت أن تطلع. أنا مبسوطة أخي، أكيد مبسوطة. شوف شايفيني أنا مبسوطة جد، لأنه يعني أنتوا غيرتوا إشي كثير.
To be here with the TreadRight Foundation and have them enable us to easily experience these kind of situations and have there be plenty adventure along the way. It's exciting, it's transformational, and it really makes you feel the best you can possibly feel when you leave a country to know that you have made travel matter.
TreadRight's vision is to make travel matter. This mindset is woven into everything that the Travel Corporation's family of brands do. Travel with us and help us to support the people and communities in the places that we visit.